Hey guys, no doing. Your currency trader and currency coach at FX Link, and I welcome you back to another episode of our Forex Weekend Market Preview. Now, unfortunately, I know that we're currently late with our market prep. Unfortunately, we have been facing technical issues, but I assure you that this content is as valuable as the one you get assigned, is if not more valuable than that. So, without wasting any further time, let's get straight to the charts. Six beats. Okay, so to kick things off, this week I decided to share with you my analysis on the pound yen. So as you grab my tool, as you can see, from this price action gave us a push to the downside, a bit of a retracement, and this is where we continue to the downside. Now take a closer look. What happens as price action gives us a push to the downside? Yep, you're right. We have just violated a significant demand area. Okay, so let's try to zoom in. More. Okay, so at this point we have just violated a significant support level, or demand as some like to put it. So from this point, this price decides to give us another relief to the upside, and finally this is where we continue to the downside. Now what happens again? Look left, structure leaves clues, guys. This is where again we violate another significant structure level, and we continue to the downside, and this is where price action is currently at. And where do we find ourselves again? This is where we violated recent structure level, and if I could give me a minute, guys. Yep, and if I could grab my tool, yeah, this is where price action is currently. And then looking left, where are we? We're back where past support has to become a future resistance. Now looking left again, this is where we've also violated another significant support level. Now we're on the daily chart, and after seeing price action violating such significant support level, this prepares us for a trend continuation in the downside. Now this area we have already formed the past that I'll be looking for a selling opportunity. Now all I need for this point is more filters to strengthen my case. Now to do so, let's just say I'll use my retracement tool. First, I use from this X leg down to a leg. Okay, and you can see back to where we find our support level. This is where we get a significant 82 structure level. And if you could try to add more retracement tool from this X leg down to a leg. Okay, give me a minute, guys. This is where price action has just hit our 618. So right where we have a 382, we have a 618. We have a 382 and a 618 cluster. Now if I could grab this just to level out, just to draw out a zone, I would, okay, grab my tool, and right at this level, this is where I see a significant structure level. Looking back to where we find more structure, as you can see, we have a nice support, we have a nice resistance, pardon me, more resistance, support, and as you can see, if we could drag our tool right back this area, you can see that this is where we have a significant structure level, and this is where price action is most likely to react, as we have significant imbalance between buyers and sellers at this point. So getting on the hourly chart, this is where we just want to see how do we take advantage of this shorting opportunity. So first thing again, let me grab this. I want to isolate or filter out significant levels on this time frame. And for starters, this is where I see a nice zone, so I could drag it across. Okay, let's change the color, make it so. In order for me to actually sell this market, I'd have to wait for price action. Give me a minute. Okay. Please bear with me, guys. I'd have to wait for price action to at least give me a push to this to our core zone, to this area, and from there we might wait for a filter sway. In my personal case, I prefer to get a double top, and after getting a valid double top, this is where I'll be looking to get a bearish divergence, and this will be my two filters that I'll need in order to take this trade. Now in this, if this does happen, we might be looking at a, okay, let me grab my position tool. We're going short, so assuming we do get a trade around our core zone, okay, and stop loss would have to be just a few pips above this highest high, and we at 41 pips, so roughly you will looking at a stop loss of 50 pips. With the first take profit back at this retest of structure, first take profit we will be targeting around 81 pips, and for a final take profit, this will offer us a total move of 115 pips. So this is a 2:2,4 trading in total, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed our market preparation. Try to keep it short and firm, and for me, Fentanyl Dube, I'll see you on the flip side.